amazing move in the world. The 30,000-ton station was uprooted and rotated 90 degrees. A world record was set. This miracle project is the Huxi long-distance bus station in Xiamen. In order to make way for the high-speed railway, Chinese engineers decided to move the bus station entirely. A building weighing more than 30,000 tons, with a total length of 530 feet and a width of 110 feet, was moved 945 feet. Also, rotate 90 degrees. It is an unprecedented project worldwide. It's very difficult. However, there is no problem that Chinese engineers cannot solve. They went through many measurement studies and repeated experiments. Used the method of moving and turning at the same time. More than 500 alternating walking machines have been installed at the passenger terminal. Let the main station building reach its final position step by step. Compared with building a new building, this relocation project not only saves time, also saved $10 million. What's even more amazing is that during the moving process, not a single piece of glass in the entire bus station was broken. The overall structure was not damaged in any way. This breathtaking operation can be called the most powerful move in the world. What do you think of it?